Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how to create a course on learnai.edu.ac.ae. So when you get to the page, if you're giving the instructor access, then you can come here and click create a course. So let me assume I want to do a Java programming course. Yeah, you can create any course you like. Of course, you write the description here. If you want AI, will use the title and give you a draft, which you can modify and change. And you select the category. This is more computer science. If you don't see your category later we can add it. You can create an image for that one, which we can do later. So you click on create. Now the course is created and you are the instructor or the creator of that course. Now you go in the course and you need to create a module. With module you get more things to do. And let's do a module called introduction. And you will see why module is important. One is structure your content. The other thing, you get all these things from adding material. You can upload any content. You can add a video if you have a link to a video from somewhere, PowerPoint, external upload, and things like that. Okay, and you can upload all the documents here, including if you have an external link. But the magic is here, AI Generate. AI Generate will generate content for you. So assume I'm talking about for loop in Java, example, and I want to create for that. I can do a lesson plan or reading material or exercises or study, case study, whatever. Let's do a lesson plan. And now we have also more details, which educational context. Is this for school or university? If it's school, you have the grade and you need to select from. If a university, you'll have accreditation and things like that. Let's say it is school and we're talking about grade 10 and we're following maybe American curriculum. And you want to align this with Ertica as well, you can do that. And you can write a more description. You want it maybe more hands-on, maybe you need to avoid certain things, whatever. And you say generate. It will start now generating that study lesson plan for you to do. Same thing you can do with reading material. Same thing you can do with exercises and so on. So this all can be created to do. Of course, after you created, now this is a warning we added here. Sometimes the grade you selected does not match the topic in the curriculum you specified. So sometimes you get this warning, but that's only for you. Now we have it. If you click, this is actually the lesson plan being created with all the different components. You can critique it, you can do whatever. You can edit it as well. If you click here, you can make edit to this lesson plan. That's how. You can generate other things as you noticed, like reading material, exercises, case studies, all this you can generate and they are editable, you can edit them. Good thing you can also create presentation. So I want to do a PowerPoint presentation. I recommend PowerPoint. You can do PDF, but PowerPoint, you can edit it, do whatever you want to do it. So assume we're doing one on for loops. And then you can describe, I need more exercises, I want it to be more practical, or whatever, and it will generate for you the PowerPoint presentation. A very well structured PowerPoint presentation. And the good thing, this presentation you will create, you will be able to convert them to video from the app. You generate a podcast on them. You generate a quiz on that specific PowerPoint presentation. The student can add his or her note to that specific presentation. So it has a lot of things in it which can be, I think, can be very, very useful We will explore this later when we go step by step. But now I'll just wait for it. When it comes, then I will stop there because I want you to see it, how it looks in the module, how it looks like in the module, and what the things attached to it that you can also make use of it as you go. Good. Just buying time. Done. It's done. Of course, you can download it if you want, but if you put it there. So now this is the presentation. You notice there are things attached to it. One is you convert it to a video. You can convert it to a slideshow. You can make it a quiz. Yeah. I don't like the video. The slideshow does the same thing as the video and make it much better. So don't use the video. You can create a podcast based on that one. It will build a podcast. When you do podcast, two people talking to each other, use the first two because we're still rendering the other one. To use the first two, you can decide for how long you wanted it to be, long, short, and then it does generate a nice podcast of two people talking to each other. This is like Notebook LM, the concept of Notebook. Every time I want to stop the video somewhere, I get excited and continue doing the video, but I think this will help you. Now this is the podcast and...
Welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world
of... Two people talking to you. The good thing, the student can send it to themselves on WhatsApp. If they select here, add their WhatsApp number, then and send it, it goes into their WhatsApp. So they can listen to it while they're doing something else. So the podcast is there. Once it's added, when you click here, it comes, you can play it directly. So that's it. There are the notes, there are the chat, other things. We'll come to it later. You can link a YouTube video directly from here. You can record your own videos, and you can add a game for the student to play, something like Kahoot type of games. I will stop here.